friends, welcome to my channel. In previous video we have seen what are irrational numbers, and now in this video we will learn how to represent them on a number line. Let us take a right angled triangle. This triangle is right angled at B, length of AB is 1 unit, length of BC is 1 unit. Using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, we know that hypotenuse AC square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So AC square here is equals to AB square plus BC square. And for this particular triangle, since this is a unit triangle, so length of AB is 1 unit, so this will be 1 square. Length of BC is also 1 unit, so this will be 1 square. 1 square is 1 plus 1, this comes out to be 2. Length of AC will be under root 2. So this is root 2. Now let us see how to represent this on number line. We have a number line here. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, and it will go on like this. Similarly, on negative side we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and it will go till infinity. Now to represent root 2 on this number line, we will transfer this triangle onto the number line and we will make sure that vertex A coincides with O. So this is the side AB, the same side, this is AB, this side BC, this is also of 1 unit, so this is BC, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and this is root 2. Now to represent this root 2, to represent root 2 on this number line, we will take a compass taking A as the center and radius is equal to AC. We will draw an arc. This is radius and we will draw an arc like this. And the point where this arc meets, this distance from here to here is root 2. Similarly, if we want to represent root 3 on the number line, we will take another triangle. Let us say ACD. In this triangle, length of AC is root 2, length of CD is 1 unit. Now, using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, AD square is equals to AC square plus CD square. AC square here is 2, so root 2 square. CD square is 1 square. Square of root 2 is 2. Square of 1 is 1. So this is 3. So AD is equals to square root of 3. Now we need to represent root 3 on this number line. We know that this length is root 2. The same as this AC, we will take 1 unit here perpendicular to AC. This is 1 unit and this point is D. This length is root 2. This length is 1. This is the right angle. If you join these two, this triangle is similar to this triangle which we have shown here. Triangle ACD, this length is root 2, this length is 1. In this length is root 2 and this is 1. So this AD represents root 3. And to locate root 3 on the number line, we will take A as the center and AD as radius and draw another arc. Like this. So this length from O to this point, this length is root 3. Now let us see how to represent root 5 on the number line. Now in the same number line, if this is root 3 and we take another unit length here perpendicular to this root 3, what we will get? This point is E. Let us make this triangle here. This is A, D and E. This length is 1 unit. This length is root 3. This angle is 90 degree. Using Pythagoras theorem, AE square is equals to root 3 square plus 1 square. This is 3 plus 1, that is 4 and we say that AE is equals to square root of 4. This is 2. So this length AE is 2 now. In the same way, if we draw another perpendicular of unit length, this length is 1 unit, this length is 2 units. And if we join this in this right angle triangle, let us see what happens. This point is F. This is F, this is E, and this point is A. This is the same triangle that was drawn there. So this length AE is 2 and EF is 1. So using Pythagoras theorem, we say that AF square is equals to 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square means 4, 1 square is 1. So this length is 5 and AF is equals to square root of 5. So this length is square root of 5. To represent this length on the number line, we will follow the same procedure. Taking A as center and AF as radius, we will draw another arc to meet the number line. Similarly, if we need to draw minus under root 2 or minus root 5, what we will do? We'll look at the same triangle. This was 1, this was 1 and this is root 2. Taking A as center and AC as radius, root 2 was this arc. We will complete this circle to this side also, like this. And it will represent minus root 2 on this side. Similarly, to represent minus root 3, we will take this radius and draw another arc. And this arc will represent minus root 3. Similarly, this length is 2. So by taking A as center and this as radius, if we draw arc, it will represent minus 2. In the same way, we can represent minus root 5 also. So I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.